Okay, today we're going to install a BMW battery charger for our lithium battery. We're going to be using these CTEK products. This one is going to attach to the positive and negative terminals under the hood, so we can have like a little quick connect to it. And we're going to use this as an extension so we can run it from under the hood to our charger where we're going to install that. Alright, if you come under the hood to this little red plastic panel, just push that in and it opens up, and you'll see right here this is going to be we're going to use a T50 to go right here. We're going to remove this so that we can put our red terminal underneath this. Alright, once that is removed, we're going to take our red wire and we're actually going to have it come through here. Let's see, let's try to fit it under our washer reservoir so it'll be out of the way. Tight fit there. There it goes. And then let's see if we can fit it under here. You probably thread it under there, but just pull a little slack. We'll guide it under here. Okay, so if these are too long, we'll take our black one back out and we can peel that away to give us some more reach. Fish it under here. There. Take this, just tighten that back down a little, and close that, and we will take our black wire. If you run it down here, we're going to attach it right under this. Okay, so after attaching the negative to that post right there, you can see the whole install, and you'll notice I decided to reroute this a little further to the left so we can hug the sidewalls some more, and that's the final install, except I'm going to take a zip tie, tie this wire here to keep it tight, and then you can just kind of tuck that away under there and it'll be completely out of the way, easy to pull out when you're ready to charge.